Hey there, in today's episode, let's make a tomato sandwich really quick. And with me, I have my list of ingredients and I have some bread. I'm using some brown bread for today, but you can also use the white bread. I have a tomato, some salt, and some margarine, but you can also use butter. And without further ado, let's get started. So, first things first, we'll start by applying some margarine on our bread. You can apply as much or as little as you prefer. And you can also apply how you like it. If you like it on both sides, well and good. Out of my 6 slices, I'm going to spread on 4 of them because that is how I like it. Just like that. I'll set that aside. Then I'll start working on my tomato. And we are going to slice this into very thin slices. And this is a very easy recipe that everyone will enjoy. So do not shy out from trying it. And just like that, our tomatoes are also ready. Then, for the 2 slices that I do not apply some margarine, I'm also going to use them at this point. Then the other 2 slices that I have my margarine, I'm going to use them to cover the sandwich. So, I'm going to start by spreading the tomatoes. Like that. Like that. And finally like that. Then this is where the salt comes in, but if at all you do not like salt in your fruits, it's also okay. I'm going to salt my tomatoes. Then these 2 have margarine, these 2 do not have, and these 2 do have margarine. So this is how I'm going to go about it. I'll place the one without on top of the one with. Then I'm also going to do the same, like that. Then I'll cover with this, then cover with that, and just like that we have our 2 sandwiches. You can see the beautiful composition and the layering. So this is just perfect to have it as it is, but you can also include your favorite beverage. And I've served mine with some black tea, and let's give this a taste test. Highly recommend. The layering is perfect, and the tomatoes and the salt inaingia na huko hadi kwa bloodstream. So I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.